Hello students, I hope you all are doing well and studying at your home. Welcome back to your online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of Social Studies, and in today's video we are going to see some hard word meanings of chapter 5, My Classroom. Okay, so what is our chapter name? Our chapter name is My Classroom. Okay, so in our previous video we had completely understood this chapter, and in this video we are going to go through the hard word meanings of chapter 5. Okay, so let's see what are the word meanings of this chapter. So students, firstly let's revise what all we had learned in our previous video. Okay, so what all we had learned in this chapter? So in this chapter we had learned about the classroom. Okay, so what is classroom, students? The classroom is a place, especially in a school, where classes are conducted. Okay, so there are so many different things in a classroom. Okay, so what are these different things? So these different things are desks, chair, blackboard, picture board, chalk, and dustbin. Okay, etc. Okay, there are so many things in a classroom that we are understood in our previous video, that we are find out in our previous video. So firstly tell me one by one what are the uses of these things. Okay, so firstly tell me students, what are the use of desk and chair in a classroom? So in a classroom, when we go to our school and when we go to our classroom, do you sit on the floor? No, we don't sit on the floor. There are chairs and desks for everybody to sit. Okay, so we sit on the chairs. Okay, and there are desks. There are desks so that we can put our notebook, our textbook on it, and we can easily write on it. Okay, so that is why there are desk and chair, and there are a big desk and a big chair for the teacher. Okay, and there is a blackboard. Okay, so what is the blackboard, students, and what is the use of blackboard? So blackboard is a board on the front of the classroom, so teachers writes on it and teach her students. Okay, and basically teachers write on the blackboard and students copy these things. Okay, and next thing, that was a picture board. Okay, so what is a picture board, students? Can you tell me? So a picture board is a board that is a back wall of the classroom, and the teachers pin the informative pictures and the charts on the picture board. Okay, so the teacher pin the informative pictures and charts on the picture board for their students. Is that clear? And at the last we had learned about the dustbin. Okay, so there is a dustbin also in a classroom, and where it is placed in the corner of the classroom. Okay, and we throw the dust, we throw the waste paper, and we throw the waste paper and we sharpen our pencils over the dustbin. Okay, so what is a waste paper? A waste paper is a paper that is no used, and it's thrown away. Okay, it is a waste paper. Okay, is that clear? And we should always keep our classroom neat and clean. Okay, so these are the few things that we had learned in this chapter. Okay, and we totally understood this chapter in our previous video, and we also revised this chapter once. Okay, so in this video we are going to cover some hard word meanings of this chapter. So what is our chapter name? Our chapter name is My Classroom, and today we will cover the word meanings of this chapter. Okay students, so let's start. Okay, you have to repeat these word meanings after me. Okay students, and you have to learn these all word meanings. Okay, and you have to write these all word meanings in your PC copy. So firstly, let's see what are the word meanings. So first one is kind. Okay, so what is the spelling of kind, students? Kind spelling. What is the spelling of kind? The spelling of kind is KIND. Okay, what is the spelling of kind? KIND. Okay, and kind means helpful nature. Okay, kind means helpful nature. So someone who is with a helpful nature is called a kind person. Okay, so our teacher teaches us to be kind. Okay, next one is honest. Honest. What is the spelling of honest? Repeat after me. HONEST. Honest. Okay, HONEST. Honest. Okay, and honest means truthful. Okay, honest means truthful. Okay, so what is the spelling of truthful? The spelling of truthful is TRUTHFUL. Truthful. Okay, so someone who is who never lies, who is telling a truth, is called truthful. Okay, is called honest. Honest person is called. So our teacher teaches us to be kind, honest, and brave. So our next word is brave. Okay, so our next word is brave. So what do you mean by brave? So brave means someone who is very daring, someone who is very courageous. Okay, it's called brave. Okay students, so what is the spelling of brave? The spelling of brave is BRAVE. Okay, repeat after me. BRAVE. Okay, again repeat after me. BRAVE. Brave. Okay, and brave means courageous. Okay, brave means courageous. So our teachers teach us to be kind, honest, and brave. Okay, now next word is everybody. Okay, everybody. So what is the spelling of everybody, students? The spelling of everybody is EVERY. BODY. Repeat after me, students. EVERY BODY. Okay, so what is the meaning of everybody? The meaning of everybody is every person. Okay, every person means all people. Okay, you can see every person or all people. Okay, everybody means every person. Okay, so this is the spelling of everybody, and everybody means every person. Now the next word is front. Okay, the next word is front. So what is the spelling of front, students? The spelling of front is FRONT. Okay, the spelling of front is FRONT. Front. Okay, and what is the meaning of front? The meaning of front is the side of something that faces forward. Okay, the side of something that faces forward is called front. Okay, it is called the front side of that things. Okay, that faces the forward. Is that clear? So let's revise these 5 word meanings again. Okay, So what is the spelling of kind, students? The spelling of kind is Kind. Okay, the spelling of kind is Kind. Kind means helpful nature. Okay, and the next word is honest. So what is the spelling of honest, students? The spelling of honest is Honest. Okay, Honest. Okay, and the honest means truthful. Okay, honest means truthful. Is that clear? And the next word is brave. Okay, so the spelling of brave is Brave. Okay, repeat after me, Brave. And brave means courageous. Brave means courageous. Okay, the spelling of courageous is Courageous. Okay, repeat after me, Courageous. Courageous. Okay, is that clear? Next word is everybody. Okay, the spelling of everybody is Everybody. Repeat after me, Everybody. Everybody. And the meaning of everybody is every person. The meaning of everybody is every person. The next word is front. Okay, next word is front. The spelling of front is the spelling of front is Front. The spelling of front is Front. Front means the side of something that faces forward. Okay, the side of something that faces forward. Is that clear? So the remaining word meaning we will cover in the next video lesson, students. So these 5 word meanings you have to write on your PC copy and learn them all, and the next word meanings we will cover in the next video lesson. Okay, students, so till then, bye bye, take care of yourself, and see you in the next video lesson.